That's how you adjust a steering gearbox. Son of a... What is up, guys? Craig here, welcome back. I guess I'll call this F100 quick tip? Quick tech tip? Quick tip? Anyway, what I'll be showing you today is how to adjust this nut and screw on top of your signal. It could be all different types of gearboxes, but how to adjust your steering gearbox. Before doing this, check your rack joint. It is in between your gearbox and connected to your steering shaft, your steering column shaft. That's usually the culprit for loose steering. But if your rack joint is fine, the next culprit is your steering gearbox. You adjust this to tighten up the play in the steering. So I'll just show you how to do it real quick. You'll need 5/8 and a flathead screwdriver. With your 5/8 on and your screwdriver in place, loosen the nut where you can adjust the screw or the bolt in the middle. From there, whether you go left or right will determine if you tighten or loosen it. I've had one vehicle where it's right, and I've had the next vehicle where it's left to tighten it. So the principle is the same though, and from there, I recommend actually having someone sitting in the seat with the steering wheel, sort of moving it around a little bit, so that every time you adjust it, they will give you feedback if it is getting tighter or looser. So that is another option. I will say though that if you find yourself having to do this more than once, it's probably time for a new steering gearbox, but this will get you by for quite some time. So that's how you adjust steering gearbox. Alright guys, see you next time.